Whenever I went out for riding a vehicle, I have lost my purse with my documents. So if anyone found my purse, you can contact me through Instagram, Facebook. I'm giving a link in the description. So please, if anyone found, once again I request you to give back. Inside the purse, the money is not much, but I really need my documents. So this video is not about to be happy, though I want to give a smile. It's very difficult for me to smile. So ये वीडियो सिर्फ हाफलोंग लोगों के लिए बनाया है. सो अगर आप लोग मेरा वॉलेट रास्ता पे मिला तो मुझे रिटर्न कर दो. मेरा पॉकेट से गिर गया था जो मैं ड्राइव किया था इस समय पे. तो अगर आप मिला तो प्लीज़ मुझे मेरा पर्स रिटर्न कर दो. और अगर आप मिला तो मुझे कांटेक्ट करने के लिए मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मेरा फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम लिंक दे देंगे. पर्स इन माई मंगल वांगना तब जायवान रोड ने चिल्ड्रेन पार्क टाइम वो ब्लोना गो पर्स फुकी के तेम का निले सिदा जैसा को मैं गो पर्स ngो तो बेम जाहले रोज है रिटर्न तो लो रंकांगा गादुगा ले रंकांगा चेन रंकांग नांग मले कने के डॉक्यूमेंट्स इज रियली वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स. आप थौनांग ब्रा मैं गो पैन कार्ड आधार कार्ड and then ATM जी के बाम जी कने हले रोज नंग ngो तो जाया रिटर्न तो रन क्या मैं तले. I have lost my wallet with my documents like PAN card, address card, and ATM. The ATM also not belong to me; it's belong to my father. So it's really scared. If he know, he might call me. So please, if you found, let me know. I'm sure that this video is going to help, and I'm still longing that I'll be finding my purse. So if anyone found, please, if you are my regular viewers, I'm always in the mood to smile or making it fun, but today it's really sad for me. So I cannot give a big smile, but I'm going to give a small smile, okay? My mind is out of my head, so I cannot able to express. I want to cry, but being a boy, I should not do that, so I'm not going to cry. But I'm sure that you're going to help me by sharing this video. My documents are really important, so if you found, do contact through Instagram or Facebook. I'm giving a link in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video. So I do request once again, this is my last request. If you're watching this video, please do share to the people of Haflong so that I'll get back my purse because of your help only. I'm going to end up my video from here. This video is only for the purpose of telling my thought and then my sadness to the viewers, and then I request you to return if you found. My documents are really important. It's my future. My documents can make my future brighter, and then it can make my future brighter because of your support only. So thank you so much. We'll see you again in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Take care.